chocolate day. This box contains a little card and the card front has a lot of alphabets. Ask your Valentine to open the card. They will see a question inside. What makes my heart melt? The answer obviously is, you make my heart melt. Once they answer correctly, close the card and ask them to find the above sentence on the card front. A word can be spelled left to right, top to bottom, or diagonally.
Also, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch more such videos. Let's begin. And if you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. Press the bell icon to get notified of new videos immediately. Happy memo crafting!